guys, so today's video is going to be very interesting. If you can see behind me, there's a big pine tree that actually fell into my pond. So luckily it missed this bridge, but it is a massive pine tree. I'm gonna actually have to find another chainsaw, a bigger chainsaw, to cut this thing. This thing's enormous, and I just have a little chainsaw that will not even cut through it. I did cut down here though, so now I'm gonna try to connect a chain over here and just pull this entire thing out. I tried with a rope, and the rope literally just snapped in half, so that didn't work out. But now I'm going to connect a chain, and hopefully it'll just pull right out of here. The only bad thing is it's been sitting here for like 4 or 5 days now, so it probably just got waterlogged and just got even heavier. So hopefully we can pull it out. So that's what today's video is about. So now I got to get this chain wrapped around this tree. All right, let go. I'm gonna hold it tight. All right, we're gonna try this and see what happens.
There you go. There you go. Got something. There you go. You got something, champ. Oh, got that. Okay.
No, I mean, I was wondering how it was gonna get over the sump.
Oh, okay.
Because that's what happened, hit that. All right, what I think I'm gonna try to do is bring it out over here where the ground isn't as high, because it won't go up this hill right here. All right, now I moved the truck to this side, and we're gonna connect the chain and try to just pull this through here. There is this pipe that runs under here. I'm pretty sure that's gonna get destroyed. Not sure what that's about, but I got to get this tree out of here, and then a lot of these logs already fell off, so that's another battle. But first we got to just get it out. Yeah, we definitely ruined that PVC, but I kind of figured that was gonna happen. So yeah, I don't know. I need to almost get like a ramp or something to put under this. So that's gonna be the next thing. I actually have this over here, and I just realized this. I'm gonna put this PVC under there and see if I can just roll it up on there. All right, I put that thing under there the best I could as of now, but we are gonna see if it's gonna even do anything. Now I'm gonna try to lift this up by taking this sledgehammer, pounding that piece of wood, and seeing if I can pry on it at all. I'm gonna try to bring this up over here and pull it out that way.
It broke.
All right, well that broke this big log into two, but I actually gotta go get a bigger chainsaw before I even start cutting this thing up. As you can see, it was enormous. So I think I'll be able to pull that out, and then I have to go through there and grab all the little pieces. I'm gonna do that tomorrow, so we'll be back here. All right guys, we're connecting it again. I actually don't have my chainsaw, or I would cut some of these arms off, but we're gonna try to just pull it out. All right guys, it came out good enough. I got to just bring my chainsaw in here and cut this, and then go back through here, grab all these loose branches. Obviously we messed up that PVC a little bit, but I wasn't even sure what that was for. Maybe there was a fountain running to the middle of the pond or something at one point, but we also got to cut way up there, that whole tree. And this thing was just absolutely enormous. Like I said before, luckily it didn't hit the bridge right there. But yeah, I think we got it out pretty good. Hopefully it didn't do too much damage to my truck. So yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button. Thanks for watching.